Good morning, folks, and welcome in. You can take a step down this hallway and follow the ambassadors.
Well, we're here at Seneca High School. We have visitors from the Academies of Central Arkansas. They've heard great things about what we're doing here in the Academies of Louisville and wanted to come check us out today.
It's really exciting because I know that we're doing things here that other people aren't doing.
So we clean out the chicken coops, we collect the eggs, and we sell them to students and teachers.
And then always hearing from the ambassadors and the impact that the partnerships are having, the intentionality around creating these guaranteed experiences for them. So those are things I see my folks feverishly taking notes that I can't wait to, when we go back and have a chance to debrief, what did they take from this and how is that going to better and enhance our implementation efforts in Arkansas?
I'm very proud, actually. Just last year is where I realized how big of a deal all this really is. It's because that's when I grew up, right? I used to come to school just because, I had to come to school. I had sports. Just recently is where I started focusing on my grades, and I realized that this is very important stuff. I know all these people here are all here to see the Academies of Louisville, just to see everything that we do here, and that's something I'm proud of, and I'm proud to be part of it.
Right here we have the raised beds, the raised flower beds.
I am so proud of our Seneca ambassadors and the leaders in the various CTE pathways that we have representing today.
I've gotten a couple real-world certifications in HTML/CSS as well as JavaScript.
It's so cool to be able to invite adults into the building to see what we're doing well, and that experience be led by our students.
I'm not a native English speaker, so talking to people that I don't know is also really hard for me, but this helps me because it forces me to go out there and talk to people.
Got to know the team at JCPS, have some really good conversations, and I always leave those conversations saying, man, they're doing some really great things, and it would be beneficial for us to go see.
Our business partners, when they come in, we have partnerships with Keeneland.
Giving people an opportunity to explore these things makes it better for the future, but it also makes it better for me. Like, I know that having these academies, this is where I can be when I grow up, and I'm learning it already.